Hi, we are here at Advanced Hair Studio. I'm currently undergoing a treatment, advanced laser therapy.
I started a treatment because I started noticing premature hair loss and thinning of my hair, especially in the front area, and I decided to take action sooner than later. So I am going to be working with them through 8 months, and I will walk you through every step of the way on how we tackle this concern and of course the final result. So I'll catch you guys later.
It was truly amazing, didn't hurt at all, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the treatment.